The art of thinking. The art of thinking focuses on the development of a clear, constructive, and solution-oriented mindset. The book highlights the transformative power of thought, encouraging people to approach life's challenges with wisdom, patience, and positivity. Here we discuss about the art of thinking in different steps. 1. The nature of thinking. Thinking is not a random mental activity. It is a deliberate process that shapes our experiences and decisions. Productive thinking involves observation, analysis, reflection, and problem solving. While everyone thinks, not everyone thinks effectively. Passive thinking. Active thinking. Passive thinking happens automatically, often filled with biases and emotions. Active thinking, on the other hand, is conscious and purposeful. It requires effort to analyze situations, ask questions, seek logical conclusions. Mind as a tool, just like any tool, the mind must be sharpened and used correctly. Regular practice of critical thinking, self-reflection, and mental discipline helps one become a better thinker. Example, when facing a difficult decision, an active thinker lists possible outcomes, weighs the pros and cons, and chooses the most logical option. A passive thinker might rely on emotions or impulse, often leading to regret. 2. Positive thinking as a foundation. Positive thinking is the foundation of clear thinking. It enables people to see opportunities within problems. When negative thoughts dominate, the mind becomes narrow and focused on obstacles. Positive thinking broadens perspective, allowing one to see potential solutions. Focus on what you can control. Instead of worrying about things outside of one's control, attention should be given to actions that can bring change. Reframing problems. Every problem contains a hidden opportunity. By changing one's perspective, even failures can be seen as learning experiences. Example, if a person loses a job, they can either despair or see it as an opportunity to explore new career paths, acquire new skills, or start a business. Positive thinkers focus on the latter. 3. The role of patience. Patience is seen as one of the most important aspects of intelligent thinking. It allows people to endure delays, tolerate delay, and make thoughtful decisions. Without patience, people react impulsively, leading to mistakes. Delayed gratification. Achieving meaningful goals takes time. Patience allows people to avoid short-term temptations for long-term benefits. Emotional regulation. When emotions like anger or frustration arise, patience helps maintain composure, allowing for a better response. Example, in negotiations, a person who remains patient is able to listen carefully, understand the other party's position, and find mutually beneficial solutions. Impatient negotiators often push too hard, damaging the relationship. 4. Response Vs. Reaction. A major concept in the art of thinking is the difference between reaction and response. A reaction is instinctive, emotional, and often regrettable. A response is thoughtful, measured, and aimed at achieving the best possible result. Pause before acting. When something unexpected happens, it's best to pause, reflect, and then respond. This prevents emotional outbursts and promotes rational action. Control over emotions. Emotions like anger, fear, and frustration can cloud judgment. Learning to remain calm in stressful situations allows for better decision making. Example, if someone insults you, an emotional reaction might be to retaliate with harsh words. A thoughtful response would be to remain calm, evaluate the situation, and decide whether to address it calmly or walk away. 5. Clarity of mind. Mental clarity is essential for good thinking. When the mind is cluttered with unnecessary thoughts, worries, or distractions, it becomes difficult to think clearly. Achieving mental clarity allows for better decision making, problem solving, and emotional stability. Mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, can reduce mental clutter. Simplification. Overthinking and overcomplication lead to confusion. Simplifying thoughts helps in identifying the core issue. Detachment. Being too emotionally attached to an idea or desire can cloud judgment. Detachment allows for more objective decision making. Example, when solving a problem at work, instead of overanalyzing every small detail, A person with mental clarity focuses on the main objective, right, and it was avoiding other distractions. 6. Self-reflection and introspection. To improve the quality of thinking, one must reflect on past actions, thoughts, and decisions. Self-reflection reveals mistakes and offers insights for future improvement. Introspection also helps to identify personal biases and blind spots. Daily reflection, setting aside time each day to review actions, decisions, and thoughts can lead to growth. Overcoming ego. The ego prevents people from admitting mistakes. Reflection encourages humility and self-improvement. Example, after a failed project, a reflective person might review what went wrong, take responsibility for mistakes, and plan how to avoid similar issues in the future. 7. The art of questioning. Clear thinking requires the ability to ask good questions. Instead of accepting information at face value, one should question assumptions, challenge ideas, and seek deeper understanding. Question assumptions before making a decision. Ask, what am I assuming here? Ask open-ended questions. Instead of yes or no questions, ask how, why, and what if questions to promote deeper thinking. Avoid certainty bias. People tend to believe that their first conclusion is correct. Questioning that certainty leads to better decisions. Example, when given new information, a clear thinker asks, is this source reliable, or what evidence supports this claim, rather than believing it instantly. 8. The role of ethics and values in thinking. Thinking is not just about solving problems, it also involves doing what is right. Ethical thinking ensures that decisions benefit not just oneself but others as well. Thinking guided by moral principles leads to better long-term outcomes. Act with integrity. Even when faced with temptation, doing the right thing strengthens character. Impact on others. Ethical thinking considers how one's actions affect others, promoting compassion and empathy. Example, in a business setting, a person might be tempted to make a decision that benefits them personally but harms others. Ethical thinking guides them to seek a solution that benefits all parties. 9. The power of observation. Observation is the starting point for all great thinking. By observing people, nature, and patterns in daily life, one can draw insights, point ideas, and solutions. Active observation. Instead of moving through life on autopilot, one should observe details with curiosity and attention. 10. Application of thought in daily life. Thinking isn't just a theoretical exercise. It must be applied to daily challenges, from decision-making at work to handling family issues. The principles of positive thinking, patience, and self-reflection can be used to achieve success in personal and professional life. Practical tips. Take time to think before making a decision. Pause, reflect, and seek clarity. Stay open to learning. View mistakes as opportunities for growth, not as failures. Focus on long-term goals. Avoid short-term pleasures that derail long-term goals. Seek wisdom from others. Learn from the experiences and insights of others. Conclusion. The art of thinking teaches that effective thinking is not a natural gift but a skill that can be developed. By practicing positive thinking, patience, self-reflection, and observation, one can gain mental clarity and make better decisions. A well-trained mind is better equipped to face life's challenges and seize opportunities for growth. If you'd like more depth on any specific concept or principle, let me know, and I can provide further explanations or examples.